Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart from 2019, and I will show you how to enable Google Backup. So to get started, let's go into Settings. From here, scroll down to Accounts. Then tap on Add Account. And now we'll choose Google, because that's what we want to enable. Wait for it to connect with the Wi-Fi, and you actually should have the phone connected to the Wi-Fi, otherwise this won't work. And once you see this, use your email address. I'm going to put in mine. And tap on Next. Now put in your password, which I'm going to do. And once you have put it in and tapped on Next, you will see the same screen. So here, just agree to the terms of service of Google. And right here, this you want on because it's the Google Backup. So keep it on. You can read it if you like. And once you're ready, you can just tap on Accept. And now we can actually click on it and customize it even further to select each particular thing that you want to sync in. You can just flip it on and off however you like it, and it will automatically be affected. So that's how you enable Google Backup. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.